You spent hundreds, maybe close to thousands of dollars. You followed the routine, you wrapped it at night, and by week 3, still tangling, dryness, and shedding. That frustration, that embarrassment, even when you've done everything right. Most women assume I must have done something wrong. But here's where things actually go wrong. Before the hair ever gets to you, most hair on the market is processed hair. That means it's been steam processed to force a curl or a wave, washed in acid baths to strip it, and coated in silicone so it looks shiny and perfect. And that's only at first. And that's the trap. Here's how you can tell instantly. Watch this. Processed hair literally rejects water. And that's not health. That's silicone sitting on top of damaged cuticles. Now look at this. Raw hair drinks water immediately because the cuticle is intact. And yeah, nobody tells you that. When hair is processed, the cuticle is compromised. Moisture can't move naturally. So over time, the hair dries out, tangles faster, sheds more, even if your routine is solid. That's why processed hair usually only lasts 1 or 2 installs. It performs pretty once. Raw hair is different. No steam processing, no chemical altering, no silicone coating. This is single donor hair in its natural state. The cuticle is aligned, so it can handle washing, heat, color, and reinstalling over and over again when it's cared for properly. So if your extensions only lasted a few months, hear this clearly. It doesn't automatically mean you failed. In most cases, the hair was already compromised. Long-term results come from 2 things working together, starting with true raw hair and following the right hair care routine.